here's another one that I found the other day. Another one of them computer switch box thingies that you saw the last video. This time I have not overindulged on the lovely beverages. But either way, point is, there was a conversation that JK18 made on one of my videos, actually a comment, excuse me, about how there were various ones. And this one does look like it has a little metal thing, which I am not sure of. This one's badged Isobar Touchmaster Plus by Tripp-Lite. Here's the information. Model TM-6 Plus. Or it could be -6 Plus. I don't know. Chicago, Illinois, 60610. Temporary power tap. Well, it is UL approved, so we have that going for sure, which is nice. LED functions, well, we need to test to see if those work. Okay, we've got a monitor outlet, a printer outlet, master switch, auxiliary outlet. So, but yeah. But this is what bothers me. You have 4 switches in the master. But on the back, you have 6 switches, which one of them is unswitched, so you're supposed to have 5 switched, but there's only 4, so I have no idea. I figured we'll just see what we can do with this. And everything. So, guess what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up and see what it does and let it go to go. Okay, we have power. We have a green light. Green means go. But this one is the line OK. But that's about it. Yeah, the LED is out. Out. Barely works. Really barely works. So it kind of makes me wonder if this thing's been shorted so many times. I wonder if it'll work. I mean, not a big deal per se, but well, we'll see what happens. So let's plug something up and see what it does. Okay, before we forget, I have this clock plugged in. The time is not right, and I have not shown this off yet. I'll show it off eventually with a story, but I need it for the unswitched portion, which is right there to prove that it is running with no power. Albeit barely, so I'm just serious. Well, I'm touching it and nothing's happening to the clock, so it might be something else. So let's get something plugged up and see what we can do here. Okay, I got this little fan that you saw last year and everything. It's plugged up in the auxiliary 2 slot. And auxiliary 2 is supposedly turned on. So let's see what we got. Oh, well, maybe we're about to turn the main power on, so. Doip. Yes, you just saw a fail live on camera. So, auxiliary 2 works. Alright, let's go to auxiliary 1. Alright, we're plugged up into auxiliary 1. And here we go. Still need to oil this fan, but for testing purposes, it'll do. Okay. On to the next one, please. Okay, we're plugged up into the printer port. So, in the printer, so here we go. So, yeah, despite the fact that LED is pretty much shot, it works. Okay, we are plugged in the monitor, and which is this one right here. So And the clock is still ticking. Not that it matters. Okay, this one's going to be a little challenging because, as you can see, it's plugged in the computer part and there's no computer switch. So maybe the main switch is the computer? Who knows? Let's find out right now. I guess it makes sense because it's like you would turn the entire system off, so your computer, printer, monitor, radio, fan, everything, just leave the unswitched portion for like a clock or something. Makes sense. It's for something, but who knows? Alright, that's going to do it for this video of the show and tell of this Tripp-Lite Isobar Touchmaster Plus model TM6 Plus, which I picked up at the Goodwill shop to kind of like use in my, not really video wall, just more or less like a workbench or something. Or I could probably just use it like I did. Like one system I had was a Tandy, and I used it for like my Dreamcast, PlayStation, VCR unit, 13-inch TV, you know, you name it, it was there. It might still be in Clarksville, I do not know, and I guess the only way to find out is to actually go back down there and see what happens. But this one, who knows? I don't know why the majority of the LEDs are dead, but that's what happens. When you're using it consistently for like 30 plus years, LEDs don't last forever. Nothing lasts forever. We don't even last forever. But yeah. Now as for this clock, there will be a story on that later, eventually. Maybe never. Who knows? So yeah. So next time. Oh, and before I sign this off, think of this as a video response to the comment that JK18 made. So there you go. Which is something we need to bring back. Video comments. Because instead what we're doing, we're making videos about commenting about video. I don't know. Oh well. Time to indulge in the lovely beverages. And until next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie. Thank you for watching. Comment box open.